everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Missy, and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. On today's episode, we're doing the Glitz Glam Box. Glitz Glam Box, if you are not aware, is a $15 monthly beauty subscription where you receive an eyelash product, a glitter product, and 2 to 3 additional makeup or beauty products. They have free shipping. Their customer service is, I have had a couple of issues. I won't even say issues. My first month that I got it, they forgot an eyeliner, and I contacted them after unboxing it, and they reached back to me within 2 minutes. The next day I got a confirmation email saying they had dropped it in the mail. I received it 3 days later, so 4 days after receiving my initial box, I received their replacement item plus an additional glitter item. And last month I had received the wrong lipstick, and I wasn't going to say anything because, I wasn't going to say anything. But I did say something on my Instagram to ask my subscribers to see if they thought I should keep the box. This is what happened, if they hadn't seen the video yet. And the company saw my post, and they reached out to me in email. By the time I saw the email, they said, hey, we saw that your post on Instagram, this is the lipstick it looks like you received. This is the one you picked. If there's any mistake, let us know. And by the time I saw that, I had already received a second email from them stating that they had mailed me my replacement lipstick with the other shade. So I didn't even have to reach out to them. That's how great they are. Like, they're on top of it. They are sister-owned company. They support indie brands, female-owned indie brands in their boxes, what they're attempting to do, or they are doing. They're not attempting to do it. That's what they're doing. So I really, really, really love that. This month's Glitz Glam Box is orange. It's always a different color. Last month, I believe it was pink and then purple. So, my favorite colors. And orange is beautiful for summer. So you open the box up, and it looks like this. It says Glitz Glam Box all over here. That's on every box. They always have this. And then there is that. It always comes just like this. Oh, look at there. With the sticker and stuff. I did attempt to do this unboxing once, and my camera kicked off. And then when I went to check my video to make sure, my file was missing. So here we are again. So it's not going to be the original me, but it's still going to be a good unboxing. So stick around, see what I got, because you will not be disappointed. I promise. So this month's theme is Glitz Glam Box I Slay. And I love this rainbow theme in accordance, of Pride Month, which I totally support. So my daughter is actually a lesbian, so I will be posting a video about my story and her story, or the story of our relationship of her coming out in for Pride Month, because I really do want to support her, and I want her to know how much I love and support her, and who she loves is who she loves, and I love her no matter what. No matter who she loves, no matter what she does, I will always love her, and her sexuality is not for me to judge or for me to even worry about. That's hers. So that's all I'm going to say. Sorry. Soapbox off. I'm done. Okay, so the first thing on here is our glitter item. Look at this color. It looks like it's the color Sweetie. It's this beautiful shimmer coral color. I think of the color's name. This is a $3 value, and it's the Glitz Glam Box. They also do like eyeliners and stuff. This is their brand of glitter. I love glitter, so I love playing with all the new glitters they get. The other guaranteed product you get is eyelashes. Look at this. Oh my god, it's so cute. This is the Secret Garden Lashes Flower Lashes. This is a $5.99 value. I have grown. Oh, look at, this is what they look like. Oh, let's stick that there. Look at, those are going to be perfect little everyday lash. You guys, love getting the lashes in here because I have really gotten a lot of different lashes from them And so I've been able to try different lashes and styles that I normally wouldn't, like if I went out to the store and buy, I wouldn't have bought them because I would stick with my wispies, which I'm comfortable with, which I love my wispies still nonetheless. But I've got to try so many great lashes and see what different styles work for me and which ones I like. And you guys, I love that. It's so awesome. The next thing is you could have gotten a various brand blending brush. I got Clean Colors, and this is a $2 to $6 value. I have brushes like this, but this one is a bit longer than the ones I have. So, and I have heard white bristle brushes are like the best. So, and you could have gotten one of 4 variations of eyeshadow palettes. This is from XNO Cosmetics, and it's a $25.99 palette, and I got the one I wanted. This is the Love Your Selfie from XNO Cosmetics. And you open it up. Look at how pretty the ingredients are on the back of here and also the back of here. So that's awesome. And it's cruelty free. So I love that as well. It comes with this huge mirror right there. And again, I have done this unboxing before, and this is how far I got. I started to swatch, and then my camera went kaput. So these are the colors. This, you guys, these colors right here were, I was like, I need that palette in my life. And I like the other palettes. There's only one palette, and it was like mainly green that I wasn't the most excited about, which I would have still loved because it would have gotten me out of my comfort zone using green. But this one, you can do any look you want it. You want a neutral look? You got it. You want a soft look? You got it. You want a bold, bright look? You got it. You want a deep, rich look? You've got it. This is a palette that you will take anywhere you go. And I did already swatch them on my back of my hands. If you know me, you know I swatch very delicately. I don't like to ruin my pans, basically. I don't like to dig around in my pans. I like to keep my palettes nice. So I did this blue color, this purple color, this green color, and this orange color, and this is how they turned out. They are not patchy. I will say that this light blue, it was a little chalky, but it could have been just how much I picked up because it is so soft. But you guys, this is incredible. I will leave a link down below. I suggest that you guys, I mean, I highly recommend this. I know that there was a waiting list to get on to receive this box, but I believe they were stating they were going to open up the subscription again. So I will leave a link to their website down below, as I do every single month. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you are subscribed to this subscription. Is this something that you would be interested in? See, I know a lot of people aren't into the glitter, and so that's one thing for some of the people, but I really am. So the glitter was one of the things that sold me on it. You guys, I love you all so, so much, and you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all later. I'll talk to you later. Bye! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can be part of the notification squad. I'll see y'all later. Bye!